y'all doing? I have Pazzo Pizzeria. Y'all know the Pazzo wings. Things that are delicious. And then I have kimchi spaghetti. I'm gonna eat a wing first real quick. If y'all can't hear me, thumbs the video down. Love ya. I'm gonna give y'all the first bite just so y'all can stay. Look at that. Don't that look good? It's dripping too. Oh my God. If I ain't told y'all a million times already, look at these wings. They don't skip out on any flavor whatsoever. You taste everything. And then the batter is tempura. That's what it is. I don't know why I couldn't think about it. It's tempura. It's so good. So, you guys, if you want to check out my vlog channel, it's give me a second. Oh, unfiltered with just what the fuck is this channel?
You didn't do your intro.
It's okay. I'll do it. It's unfiltered with just Tasha P. Y'all can call me Tasha. Girl, shut the fuck up. If you're new here and you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe button, comment, and join the live streams. I would love to go live soon. I'm gonna live on the vlog channel, y'all. So join the vlog channel because I'm gonna go live over there sometime too. Also, my TikTok, you guys, it is official just Tasha P. And my Instagram, just Tasha P1. Check them out, y'all. Today is oh, this video? Wait. I don't have a theme for this video. It's supposed to be, oh, it's Free Friday. So with Free Friday, I'm gonna do whatever. Freestyle Friday. That's what it's gonna be. That means whatever happens, happens. Whatever I decide to do that day, I don't have a plan for Friday. So you might get ASMR, you might get beach, you might get a bathroom mukbang. I don't know. It's a big one. Yeah, I should have had the mic. You want to try one of these? Duh. Oh, she looked at it. You thought I didn't? Have you ever had one? Hold on. Today I'm vlogging for free things to do in LA. One of the things to do is come to the beach. Come to the beach with food you already made. I just didn't have time to make any food, so I bought some. Ignore that part. Or find a place where you can get some food free. My goal for this month, you guys, on the vlog channel is to you want one?
I was just watching it.
Oh. My goal? Dolphins, y'all. I hope I can show you. Oh my God.
I got it already on the thing.
So we saw some dolphins when we first came. And they're back in the water. Y'all know how bad I want to get in that water. I'm so scared of aquatic.
Not back in the water.
I said back in the water? Like I got in. I ain't got in the water once. I want to get in the water and swim with these dolphins so bad. So bad. Did y'all see the vlog I did? This was years ago where I swam with dolphins. I don't even know if I was doing YouTube at that point. I don't think so. That was in 2016. Yeah. Y'all didn't see that vlog. There was no vlog. That's why. It wasn't a vlog in 2016. Oh my God, they are playing. That is so cool. Is it eating a bird? Wait, what's going on? You see that?
Yeah. Is that somebody swimming? That's somebody swimming.
No. Those were the dolphins. The dolphins were right there.
That
He's flapping his tail over and over again. See?
oh,
That
yeah.
is so cool. I don't know why he's doing it.
Maybe trying to kill the damn bird.
Oh, maybe. That is hilarious. Y'all, I think he was beating a bird. Anyway, I can sit there and watch this all day. So let me do this damn video. All right, y'all. Also, the kimchi spaghetti is one of my other favorites from Pazzo. Go get it. Say hi to Jewel for me and her husband. Ooh, the noodles are a little firmer today. I like it. Look at what she put in here, y'all. And y'all see, it's the kimchi, bacon. That's what it is, kimchi, bacon spaghetti. I never would imagine I'd be eating this a few years ago. I'm still picky, but I'm nowhere near as picky as I used to be. All I wanted was potatoes and hot dogs. Those dolphins are out there. Why the guy put his hand up like he needs to be saved when the helicopter just drove by? Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, dolphins is around today. I don't have a lot to talk about, you guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm really sleepy. I'm gonna wake one up. I know what I can do. Oh, these are questions for couples. That's a lot. I'm not gonna do that. I could, but I'm not. Did I just do that? No. Look at this. When and where do you... What? Deeper. Never mind, y'all. Those cards are explicit. I don't feel like it.
Yeah, there's so many of them.
They're so beautiful.
Yeah, that one is doing its tail again.
One of them being bad. I already know I'm about to be knocked out. Look, y'all. I zoomed in as much as... Oh, that's not as much. Oh, yes. I didn't know... Why my phone don't do that? It doesn't. It's because you have the 14 plus, I think. Oops. Y'all see the dolphins? Look, y'all. They all the way over there, too. But I don't know if you're going to catch it. Anyway. Alright, let me eat another wing. I hope y'all enjoyed the dolphins. One of them, he's flapping his tail and just having a ball. I feel like they in school because the other one's in the back. That's the teacher. Oh my God, that's so good. Water is so good when you're thirsty. Ain't it? Last wing, or last... They call them wings. Last drumstick. He talking more to me, huh? Oh, y'all hear him? I should let him do the mukbang. You guys, can y'all give me some suggestions if you live in LA? I mean, I already found 100 things online, but I'm sure that you guys probably know of, those of you that live in LA may know of some free things to do that aren't online. If you do know, let me know. And in your state, let me know some free things that I can do in your state, because that's what I want to do next. I want to do 30 days of LA, but then I want to go to another state and do, I don't know how I'm gonna do 30 days. If I stay for about a week, I guess I can go to 3 places a day. And don't say Magic City, because it ain't free. But I'm going. I'm done, y'all. I guess I can eat a little bit more spaghetti. One more bite. I'm gonna get y'all the first bite. I mean, the last bite. I bet I'm making this lady hungry. She got on sunglasses, so I don't know if she's looking at me or not. I would be if I was her. All right, y'all, good night. That's exactly where I'm going, to sleep. No shame.
All those little bugs near your head.
Flies. I love y'all. My quote is, get rich or die trying. Love you. Bye.